Ayoko po magdrama. Ayoko po inay, itay. Wala, chop na ako. Goodbye. Tinalikuran na ako ni Charo Santos. I used to be with the improv group called Spit. I experience, it's not really bullying. Patay ako.
Ito na ang tsaa.
Certain people, not all, okay, that I felt like one particular person was using me.
How come hindi ka nag-Viva?
Oh my God! Yung nurse ng school, sinabi, can I apply? Can you ask if I can apply for Viva Max?
No way!
Tapos, pumunta sila sa dinner kami. Sabi, Mommy, what's Viva Max? Sabi ko, why? My nurse is asking in school if she can be in Viva Max. Basilan is actually complete opposite of what it has been marketed. Nagera, patayan, ganyan. Number one question, bakit ba ang ganda-ganda ng Pilipinas, pero ang pinupuntahan is Thailand? Diba?
Yeah.
Common question natin.
Yeah.
Sasagutin ko na.
Sagutin mo nga, please.
Masakit man sabihin, but
Ay,
isa-segue ko. Gusto ko magtanong. Pwede ba magtanong? Yes, pwede. Wala kang choice. Ako po ay nag-a-ambush ng kanyang podcast. Ako naman po ang magtatanong.
Wala na din sa showbiz.
Hindi na.
Thank God. Hindi pa kasi tapos. Hindi pa ito tapos, Chal.
Paki yun yung clip, ha? Thank God.
This is the worst part. Tapos, alam mo, parang nabati po sa akin. And parang he said something like, oh, who the fuck wrote this anyway? Tapos binato niya sa mukha ko. Yung script.
Think, talk, tea.
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for watching. And although it might seem like mahaba ang aming show, we encourage you to use our episode as your background audio while you are doing other things. Habang kayo ay nagdadrive, nagko-commute, naglilinis ng bahay, naglalaba, nagluluto, naghuhugas ng pinggan, habang kayo ay naliligo, bago matulog, while you are doing your schoolwork, while you are working. And feel free to binge watch our previous episodes as well and get ready to be inspired, informed, and entertained. And thank you so much for watching once again. Mabuhay! Hello everyone! Welcome to another amazing episode of Think, Talk, Tea. This is your host, Corinne Kim. At for the first time, tayo po ay wala akong dalang cue card, walang
script.
Wala naman talaga tayong script dito, alam niyo yan. Pero for the first time, ni notes, wala po ako. Because I am joined by veteran host. Pakahusay. Grabe.
Oh, napatahimik ako sa iyo, Kring.
Yes. Veteran host, like on TV host, events host, lahat, hino-hostan nito. And also, she's a businesswoman. And Jane of all trades and master of that. That's all welcome, Miss Lontok del Rosario.
Hi, Kring! I'm so happy to be here because long-time friend ko na si Kring na medyo naging busy ang mga lives namin and love lives. So ngayon lang kami nagkaka-rekindle. I've met you in different aspects of your lives. In front and behind the scenes.
She will lead this interview, by the way, guys.
Ay, agad dun lang. Excited na nga ako for
No,
interview.
kasi, Chal, okay, so, this is the thing. A lot of people didn't know, prior to doing Think Talk Tea, didn't know I was a director.
So they super galing. Okay. So, kaya naman magaling ka here on the spot and in front of the camera is because you know the behind the scenes so well. So, Kring was my director way back.
2008.
Actually, 2 pangalan pa nga ng shows yun
7!
Ikaw nakakalam ng mga years. Wag na natin bilangin.
Wag na. 25 years old lang pala ako.
So, you were not just a director, you were also like parang producer na rin yung diba? You were leading the team. So, it came no surprise na pagpasok mo sa TV, alam mo nangyayari. Actually, pwede ka na mag-one-man show. Palasin na natin lahat. Grabe. Ikaw na maghawak ng lahat. You know it. You know what's going on. So, it makes sense.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that. Hindi ako sanay masyado na kina-compliment.
Alam mo lahat.
Alam mo kung bakit.
Na yung nasa harap ninyo, sobrang talino. Oo.
Kasi yung mga staff ko ngayon, hindi ako masyadong, binabargas-bargas lang ako niyang mga yan. Hindi nila ako masyadong,
walang respeto.
Parang ganun.
Okay lang naman. Joke.
Kita niyo si Miss Chal, tapos kayo, ginagalan nyo lang ako. Anyway, so Chal has been hosting. First and foremost, how did you get into show business? Kasi very colorful yung intro mo.
Okay. So, Nako, yung pinakauna, I'm sure maraming hindi nakakaalam. Kasi 20 pounds ago yun eh. Hindi 20 years, 20 pounds ago yon. So, ang unang-unang ginawa ko was the Coke commercial. Actually, parang nagte-trending yata siya ngayon ulit.
Sa
May nagpadala
TikTok.
sa akin, bago lang ngayon, no, na parang, may asawa ka na ba? Ito yung gauge daw. Parang ko, ang sakit. Okay, pag tinawag na classic ang commercial mo or classic ka, ibig sabihin nun, hindi yan parang, classic. Ibig sabihin nun, matanda ka na. So, I did the Coke commercial with a good friend of mine, Kathy. Yung mga ganon.
Bakit pakita mo? Pasampulan natin. Ako
Hindi ko na alam, hindi ko na memorize.
Ito ang beat
But the
sabay-sabay.
funny thing there, Kring, is I didn't try out for the commercial itself.
Oh!
I was a cheerleader back then and I love dancing and I love choreographing. So, isa kami sa mga entry ng choreography. So, kung napili yung choreography namin, eto ang beat sabay-sabay, hindi yun ganon. Yung ginawa ko na choreography pa nun is, eto ang beat sabay-sabay. May ulo-ulo, ang hirap. Parang mahirap kasi di ko naman alam yung peg na commercial. But somewhere along the way, inask na rin kami na, would you want to also do the commercial and the go-see? Syempre, oo naman kami, diba? Pagpunta namin doon, hundreds of women were lined up, like real commercial models. Yung mga J&J.
Yes. Yung mga nagka-candy mag.
Oo, yung mga candy mag. Oo. So when we did it, we kept being paired with each other. Hindi nila alam, friends talaga kami. So syempre yung rapport namin was really good, no? So we're very grateful that, that opened a lot of doors. So because of that, I got into hosting. The first show that I hosted was 3R, and I love that show. It's about women empowerment.
Where did it air?
Sa GMA siya. So, women empowerment, 3R siya. Franchise siya actually from Malaysia. Kasi pinupush nila yung women empowerment. They were ahead of us. Tapos, kinuha ng GMA yung show and then franchise siya. Ginawa rin dito. Parang mga Pinoy Big Brother, diba? Franchise din siya.
Yeah.
So, yung 3R na yon, kami yung unang-unang batch. Me, Rima Chanco, and Ana Domingo. Bago pa naging sina Isa Calzado. Maraming batches yun ng iba-ibang mga stars. Many series siya. So, favorite ko yon, women empowerment show yon eh.
Yes. Parang hanggang ngayon, dala mo pa rin yung women empowerment, parang advocacy.
Oo naman.
So, this was like mga mid-2000s, right?
Yung pagdating sa mga taon,
so
ikaw makakaalam.
And director mo si Alea.
Oh my gosh!
Our friend!
Yes!
Alea
Direct
Aliporo!
Alea! Hello!
Grabe, naglalabasan yung mga
ito yung iniikutan ng industriya dati,
Correct,
di ba?
correct.
Kasi we were not the super mainstream, yung mga ginagawa natin, but we worked with people who were in the mainstream and we kind of gumalaw na tayo, in that, sa mundong yon. We were learning the ropes. We were the creative ones. Oo.
That makes sense. Parang gets ko yun, yung parang we were not mainstream, but
But we were stream, the joke.
Parang kalahati yung isang paa mo nasa mainstream, isang paa nasa alternative.
Yes,
nasa alternative
yes.
Entertainment.
Yes, I love that.
I love that too.
Gitna.
So you did that, 3R, and also, I know that you did a comedy show.
Wala. No shame in that. I love it.
Why would you be?
Hindi kasi yun eh. Prankster show yun, di ba? Wow Mali. So not many people know that I did Wow Mali with your good friend and a friend of mine too, Happy. Yes, Happy, hello if you're watching. So, yun, we were doing it with Joey De Leon, and I learned my first kind of comedy there before moving on to other fields of comedy later on. Kasi yun eh, iba rin kapag si Joey De Leon ng, the old brand of comedy, dala-dala niya yun, legacy pa rin yun eh. So, kahit na prank show yun, marami kang matututunan. Sino ba kasama ko? Sina Pectos. Basta maraming mga komedyante.
Sila Hubert.
Oo, mga ganyan. Tsaka, yung mga writer ng Bubble Gang ba? Nandiyan lang.
Tropang
Trupo.
Si Earl.
Earl Ignacio, there.
Oh my gosh, yung mga viewers.
Okay, hindi na kayo makaka-relate.
Yan, to be fair, ang viewers natin millennials.
So,
Most
pag
of them.
naka-relate kayo, congrats.
May mga Gen Z tayong viewers, like even our staff, probably they don't know who we're talking about.
But these are the things that molded things that are happening
right now.
Oo.
That's true. And but tayo nagka-work talaga tayo for the first time sa show na 2007.
Ano nga ba yun?
Go Negosyo.
So Go Negosyo is very big now. It's a big movement, 'di ba? But when we were starting it, it was a business show, pero creative way rin yung pagka-create nun. But we were interviewing the big negosyantes of the Philippines.
Yes,
So,
yes.
and it was fun.
Do they still do you still do their TV show? Do they still have a
No,
TV
but they
show?
they don't. They do the events and social media. So I still do their events. So I'm
Yes.
both. Ngayon, I host, but I also do mentoring. Nagtuturo na rin ako for
Yeah.
loyalista ako. Tumatagal ako sa mga nakakasama ko. Loyal ako. Kaya nung nag-message tayo sa isa't isa, sige, game. Mag-usap tayo, magchikahan tayo.
I know. How was it like being part of the parang being a host for the how I'm sure you've seen parang the industry grow. What can you say about it?
Wow, I don't really consider myself showbiz, but I had many chances to really go mainstream showbiz.
You had
Ito na,
many.
i-reveal ko na. Ito, gusto ko ito. Oo. So, I guess for some katangahan siya at nakakahiya, but I remember that nung the peak of the Coke commercial, I was really, we were invited by Charo Santos in the top floor yun ng ABS, may ganon.
14, 15 or 15.
Galing mo naman.
No. Kasi pag dyan, di ba, we used to work with ABS.
Oo.
Pag napatawag ka sa 14 at 15, dalawa lang yan. It's either, alam mo yon, sasabunin ka or congratulations.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo,
So,
shit, bakit ka akit ng 15?
feeling ko naman congratulations kasi may pakain eh. So,
Yun.
and I remember there were a lot of celebrities there like Shaina Magdaya, all of these celebrities na who were there na and still growing. So nung tinawag kami doon, ano ba naman alam ko sa showbiz world, 'di ba? She sat me down, we were next to each other, chika-chika. And tinanong niya, okay to, bagay to, bigyan natin ng soap opera. Tapos, I guess that's the formula, diba? Para to make it big, especially back in the day.
Yeah.
Or even until now, if TV were still working very big.
Right, that's true.
Na soap opera and then bigyan ng love team. Yan yung mga formula, diba? O bigyan natin ng love team, sino babagay sa kanya. Nakikinig lang ako. And me, dahil mga kot, hindi naman ako mahilig talaga sa showbiz. That time. Ngayon, fun na makipag-usap with showbiz na. Pero that time, ang nasabi ko, ayoko po magdrama, ayoko po itay. Wala, chop na ako. Goodbye. Tinalikuran na ako ni Charo Santos. As in, parang everyone was shocked na, how could you say that? Diba?
To the Charo Santos.
Nahihiya pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. But, in a way, I was also being true to myself. Kasi ever since before, pag binasa ko yung mga magazine interviews ko, wala naman, lagi ko sinasabi, do you want to be showbiz? Do you want to be sikat? Talagang sinasabi ko, no, I love hosting. So I really kept it real. Pero, di ba, sayang, tanga. No, but seriously speaking, that's something that, a lot of people don't know. Even if it's a funny story, I was very young, 18, 19 years old. And hindi naman ako yung tipong, alam mo yung mga nagsisimula pa lang na show, bata, tapos kasama parents nila. So I really wasn't with anyone. Wala akong manager pa noon. Wala pa akong, I was just in a modeling agency because of the commercial. And then, doing commercials, TV commercial, which is different talaga from the showbiz world. So I never ko talaga na-cut across yung big showbiz. Although may mga guesting, sumasayaw-sayaw pa kami before sa mga noontime shows or what, which was fun. But yun yung big, parang, ba't di kayo sumikat? Bakit si Nikki Hill? Bakit ganyan nung nag-comedy? Di ba yung mga commercial babies? And I think that's it. Yun, nireveal ko na. Yun talaga yun. Yun yung nangyari, please.
Pero feeling ko, I mean, how do we know naman na kung nag-showbiz ka, magiging successful ka din, di ba? I mean, the point, I think
salamat sa panlubag-loob.
I think you're meant to do what you've done.
I think so
You
too.
know what I mean?
Parang college yan, di ba? Pag namimili ka ng college, kung di ka nakapasa sa lahat, isa lang yung napasa mo. Asa panglubag-log is you're meant to be in that school kung saan ka nakapasa. So parang ganun din yon. Yeah, but I still think it's a great story. It's funny and it's embarrassing, but it's real, at that time, wala ka namang masyadong
not inhibitors, parang
awareness of how things work, how it's supposed to be, 'di ba? Na para hindi mo sabihin sa isang big, giant person to say na, ayoko po mag-inay, itay. Oh my God.
Sa MMK, puro ganon. Puro inay, itay.
Sayang. No, but I have no regrets kasi I think, yun nga, we're meant to be where we are right now.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. One very interesting thing about Chal, kasi kilala kita eh. Yun yung
Okay na rin naman kita.
Oh my God! Yun yung nakakatuwa kasi like, I really know your like family.
Alam mo yung story ko.
Yes,
lahat,
yes.
oo.
But before we get to her like family life, yung parang growing up years, you are actually half Taiwanese.
Yes. So, my mom is a foreigner na Taiwanese. I think may may Japanese din talaga. Pero
Right.
mas Taiwanese yun ang ibabaw. And then my dad is Filipino. So, hindi ko alam paano siya nagkaintindihan. Pero kayo, at least, nagkakaintindihan kayo ng hobby mo. Diba? So, I grew up quite different with different households. Kaya, actually, related yun sa last kwento ko. Kasi, for a while, pinagbawalan na rin ako ng mom ko na manood ng TV,
Ay.
ng local TV. Uso pa yun dati mga bawal. Kasi she wanted us to learn her
Mandarin.
language. And pero never nangyari yun.
So you don't know how to speak Mandarin?
No, I speak Mandarin, conversational. Natuto na lang ako pag pinapagalitan niya ako. Hindi, but kidding aside, I learned kasi tinatapon ako sa Taiwan every summer. So, bawal, madali naman matutunan ng Filipino. Kasi dito tayo nakatira, mga
Yes,
classmates ko,
yes,
lahat
yes.
Tagalog. So, bawal ako manood dati ng mga TV show sa Tagalog. So, kaya ako nasabi na, I don't want inay. Kasi yun yung pagkaalam ko. Oo,
So
but
sample
later,
nga ng Taiwanese mo, ng Mandarin.
kaya ko ng 100 words magbilang 1 to 100. 你好，我是张巧玲。我是 naku, nakakahiya kasi yung I can speak and I can understand, but may intonation
Yes,
kasi ang
correct,
Chinese
correct,
eh. So hindi na ako masyadong, wala na rin ako nakakausap masyado. But I can
Understand.
shop, I can pwede ako magpa-discount, pwede ako humingi ng tulong, pwede ko sabihin, 老师可以去小便, pwede ba ako umihi, teacher? Pumunta sa banyo. No, but I can talk, just not the deeper words. Oh.
But did you go to a Chinese school?
Never. Kaya nga doon ako nahirapan. Kasi,
Dapat nag-Chinese school ka kasi.
never. Hindi ako pinadala ng mom ko sa China. Kasi nga, my mom was really a foreigner. Hindi siya lumaki dito. So, nung pumunta siya dito, hindi pa naman uso ang internet dati na, what are the Chinese schools? So, pinasok niya ako sa all-girls school. Naghanap lang siya, what is a good school? Oo. So, pinasok niya ako, all-girl Christian Catholic school, all-girl Catholic school na walang Chinese. So, pag summer, meron yun high school program yun. So, pag summer, tinatapon kami sa Taiwan. Mag-aaral kami for 2 to 3 months. And then, lahat ng kasama ko, mga St. Jude, St.
Yes.
Stephen.
Yes.
Oo. Tapos,
I heard
meron
about
pa
that.
yun, first day, you will find out anong section mo. Na klase, kung gaano ka kagaling mag-Chinese. Magaling ako magsalita, pero hindi ako marunong magsulat. So, lahat nagkokopyahan, mga Xaverians, peace, nagtitingin sa mga paper, isang tingin, kopya, ganyan. Ako, di talaga ako marunong magsulat. So, ang ginagawa ko noon was, saan ilalagay yung pangalan? Tapos, pag mangopya ako, isang line dito, nakapasa sila ng papers, andun pa lang ako sa isang
Oh
line.
my gosh! Ang hirap pa naman ng Chinese characters,
Maraming lines, diba?
Oo.
So, I only know a few characters and all, but I'm very much Filipino, but I also very much love Taiwan. Yeah.
Yes,
Kasi lumaki.
yes.
And I realized later on ngayon na lang in my life na, ay, iba pala kinalakihan ko. Kung ang mga Pinoy is, syempre, pag lumaki ka, pag may celebration, lechon. Diba? Normal lang yan. Normal lang yan sa inyo.
yes.
Ako, nagugulat pa rin ako, ba't may lechon? Ba't walang sotanghon? Kasi, long life, mga noodles, mga crabs, nasan yung sotanghon crabs? Asan yung iba? Pati, when I got married, doon ko na lang natutunan later, iba pala yung culture na, pag Christmas, iba yung ginagawa. Oo. So, may mga nuances na gano'n na hindi lang obvious. Kasi Pinoy na Pinoy naman ako eh. Oo.
Yes. But how was it like, for example, kung pupunta ka sa Taiwan, di ba, with your siblings?
Yeah, or with me, alone.
Talaga?
Pag gutom ako.
When you were young.
Yes. So, we have relatives there. Pero our language is love. love lang.
Kaya na nga, paano kasi even your mom?
Hindi rin sila kasi magaling mag-English. Ngayon lang talaga na nagpa-practice ang mga Taiwanese to really try to talk in English. Oo. Pero, wala. wala, love language. But I would use what I learn along the way. I know how to ask
Right.
directions, I know how to talk, ganyan. So naaliw rin sila sa akin na, half Taiwanese ka, ganon. Ganon din.
But did you, because I know that your mom doesn't know how to speak Filipino at all.
No.
Even English, hindi siya ganun
Hindi
din.
ganun kagaling. For me, galing na ako. Pero pag pinanood ko yung mga videos ngayon, kasi na-interview rin siya sa Go Negosyo.
Yes, I remember.
Tapos nilagyan nila ng caption. Tawang-tawa ako. Para, kailangan pala ng caption, hindi magkaintindihan.
Yes.
But I guess it helped along the way na, she learned and I learned. Oo, kasi kahit nga yung, how do I say this? Kahit yung mga message niya sa akin, talagang shortcut. Or yung birthday cake ko. Sarili kong birthday cake, yung pangalan ko, Charlene with an SH. CH ako. Kaya Chal, dahil sa Charlene. Pero ako, di ba ko nagpangalan sa akin? Ba't wrong spelling? SHARLYN. Sino yan? Sinong anak mo? So, mga ganyan. But, yun lang, it's learning to live in betweens. Ikaw rin nga, di ba?
Ano?
Also, you live also in a marriage na multicultural, na
That's true.
you adopted na rin.
That's true. I think the advantage lang would be that my husband learned to speak Filipino.
Also adopted. Marunong din mag-Tagalog yung mom ko. Natutunan na lang niya later on. Pero, like, I remember when I was growing up, kasi travel business siya, so travel
Yes,
industry.
yes.
Pag kumari, nagpapanik yan sa office before, someone call KFC Airport. Ma'am, JFK. Hindi KFC. May
someone
mga ganon.
call.
Someone call. KFC Airport. Kakorek pa namin. No, it's not KFC. It's JFK. Or, this is, di ba may saying, this is our bread and butter.
Yes,
di ba? Ano yung sabi niya? This is a butter and, dito, bread and jam. No, bread and butter. Iba yung mga, so may mga ganon. She was trying to learn pa.
Right.
Kaya, I have no, nga, growing up in an all-Catholic girls school, parang pag medyo, yung uso sa atin dati yun barok. Parang, di ba, na hindi
Barok
marunong.
mag-English?
Oo,
Or
di
barok
marunong.
mag-Tagalog?
O barok, either way, or hindi marunong magsalita. But I grew up in that household na, my parents or my mom also couldn't speak properly.
Yes,
So parang,
yes.
that's where you learn na, okay, walang barriers ang language. Tignan mo, may love kayo.
I know. Thank you.
Pero marunong na ba siya dati?
No. When my husband first came to the Philippines, he came to study English. After his
yun, alam
military
ko.
service,
Oo.
right? So, nung nakilala ko siya, kaka-learn niya lang mag-English. So, hindi pa siya marunong mag-Tagalog. But when we did the reality show, I Do, wala siyang choice. Required siyang mag-Tagalog.
So, nag-try talaga siya
Yes. And then after we got married, tuloy-tuloy niya na kasi we started to have our business na. And then when you have mga tao,
Yung vows niya, Tagalog?
hindi ko nakalimutan ko na nga eh. Feeling ko copy-paste lang yan sa Google yan eh.
11 years na po silang married. Ayan, gusto
Hindi
ko
ko
lang.
lang sure kung ano talaga sinabi niya sa akin. Feeling ko na-copy-paste niya lang sa Google
Pero in
yun.
normal usapan.
Three languages.
Okay, so today, mag-English, Tagalog, Chinese, and Korean tayo. I-mix natin. Okay, anyways.
Well, we have a lot more to talk about kasi nabanggit mo na nga, nasa travel business ka and you're also married. Ay, makulay po ang buhay nito ni Chal.
Makulay.
And she's married to one of the,
Ano?
siya? Basta prominenteng pamilya.
Wow.
Yes. So, sa balik yan, we will find out more about Chal Lontok de Rosario. Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to give us a like, share this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. So, kanina, Chal, napasadahan mo na na parang, napasadahan na natin na you're married.
Oo.
And-
Happily married.
Yes, but it wasn't always like that.
Oh! No, the reason nasasabi ni Kring kasi you met me, dalaga pa ako.
Yes.
Di pa ako mommy. Ano pala, very bagets pa,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Magkakala tayo all the way hanggang sa nakasal na
Right.
ako.
But
Oo.
that time kasi, kayo na talaga bakilala si VR.
Yes,
Del
so,
Rosario,
yes.
who is from the Del Rosario family. Anak ni
Yes.
Boss Vic.
Oh, so of Viva
Yeah,
Entertainment.
Viva Entertainment,
Oo,
Viva
oo.
Food.
Yes,
So, Viva
oo.
Food siya diba?
Oh, yun medyo bago na yun. So,
Alright,
most people
yes.
don't really know that. Pero yeah, Viva Foods also.
Yes,
oo.
yes. So, nung ang tagal niyo magjowa eh.
We met when I was 14, 15. He's my first and last. Like,
Yes.
sinasabi yan. Oo. Pero di ko naman sinabi na middle.
Ay,
Siya na, di sinasabi na middle. No, but seriously, yeah. We were very close best friends. Pag nagte-taping ako, whether it was in Wow Mali, Venta Cinco. There are other shows I did. One Morning, mga morning shows. I did
Yeah, you
mga
did a lot of
news.
those.
Mga ganon. Ano yan, he would always be there.
Right,
So,
right.
laging namumukha ng mga tao, di ba kayo pa rin? So we were married. We're married na for 17 years, but we were together for 25 years.
What?
Yes, 25 years.
Oh my
Oo.
gosh. And
Same kami ng age, ah.
Okay.
Baka sabihin nila. Kasi minsan,
Since high school kasi.
tsaka minsan kasi, which Del Rosario are you? Parang, no, that's my father-in-law. That's not appropriate. That happens.
Really?
So we were together for we are together for 25 years now. Amazing.
How is it to be married to Adel Rosario?
Wow. Contrary to popular thinking, because they're in the entertainment industry, diba?
Yes.
Super. Everything, all the big stars, all the big shows,
Ann
music,
Curtis.
Sarah Geronimo, all
Sarah
of these names.
Geronimo.
What I could really say is it's quite the opposite of what people would think. They're very behind the scenes, very humble, very, di ba bihira ka makakita ng interview
Oh, yeah,
or
that's
for
true.
them to be talking. So they're just quiet doing their stuff and they're very shy.
Are they?
Like my husband is super shy. And to think kinalakihan niya is growing up, he would have always people, lahat ng artista na sa bahay daw niya, kilala niya lahat. So, but very shy. Like, to get him to do an interview, talagang please. Parang they'd rather, or he would rather, parang not, okay na, why, no. So, complete opposite as what people would think, diba na? And very conservative.
Really?
Very, I know what you're thinking. Very conservative.
Their family?
Yeah, as a whole. Every month we meet. There's a mass, family mass in the home. In the home. Gusto ko yung rock and roll. Very conservative.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I have a feeling nga na medyo kasi I grew up with very empowered women in the family. My sister, my mom, diba? Very empowering. Sila naman is more on the patriarchal side, mas dad, diba? So I have a feeling they're super conservative in a very good way, da? I mean, considering what they're exposed to. Super conservative, quiet. That when I came in, parang
lakas ng arrive mo?
Parang, hindi naman. No, not like that. But I'm a working woman. I love my job. And I'm so grateful that, my husband lets me keep my job. Wait, hindi lets me keep. Gusto ko yung job ko. So, wala siya magagawa. Pero, very supportive siya. Very, very supportive na with that, diba? Kasi most people who get into these types of family, the women don't work. It's the man provide. Very conservative nga. Super conservative.
Right.
Which is a good thing also, diba? Considering yung exposure of who they are and what they are. Yeah.
So, napasa mo ba yan sa mga kids ninyo? Yung parang pagiging conservative or?
Well, actually, you know what's so interesting? My two sons don't know anything about the showbiz world. Wala, they're not exposed to it. They don't know. Not by choice of my choice na. Kasi iba na rin yung panahon ngayon. Online na lang.
Roblox lang yan.
Exactly. Ang galing mo.
Tralalila, tralalay.
Ang galing mo. And there's a funny kwento na nung pumasok sila sa school nila, yung nurse ng school sinabi, can I apply? Can you ask if I can apply for Viva Max?
No way!
Tapos, pumunta sila sa dinner kami. Sabi, Mommy, what's Viva Max? Sabi ko, why? My nurse is asking in school if she can be in Viva Max. So, tawa kami. Tapos, yung isang son ko naman, actually, also my PE teacher said. So, they didn't even hear it from us. It would be from other people. Ganun sila, it's not discussed or really talked about at home. It's more of
a business
business side. So, yun lang. Ganun ka funny. So, syempre, in-explain na namin, what is Viva Max? It's a platform. It's a one day you'll get to use it.
For free.
Hopefully. Diba?
So, wow! Oh my gosh! But you've been dating him for a long time, ever since you were mga teenager pa, diba? How come hindi ka nag-Viva?
Oh my God! Bakit nga ba? Hindi naman, tinanong ba?
Baka
Hindi,
hindi ka natanong.
Hindi, I think there were, wow, what a question. Okay, galing mo magtanong, ha?
Sundot
Oh,
yan.
pero may mga stories ka rin, I'm sure, diba, that you remember. But personally, me, well, there wasn't really a direct question or a direct ask, but there would be like, oh nga, why don't you just, na lang, be represented? It would have worked well, but also, I would hear from my husband na, it doesn't look good kasi it would be unfair if, let's say, if I get work and project, parang, kasi asawa,
That
kaya sa
makes
kanya
sense.
napupunta. Yun yung nasabi rin sa akin. But also me, I really also didn't want anyone, saying anything na, she was able to get that because of this and that. So
Right,
that was
right.
also a personal choice. And hindi naman talaga kasi nga yung at that time na yung kasikatan yung iniisip ko. So that route was still super showbiz. And I just love this. Conversational, talking. Ang dream ko dati is sa gitna ako ng gera at may mga tornado, hurricane at nagbibigay ako ng news. Yun yung dream ko. Andito po tayo sa kalagitnaan ng ganto-ganto. Yun yung dream ko. So yun yung route na inaano ko before. But then I got pregnant. So hindi na. I was already in news.
Yes.
Tapos nalihis na. So parang okay, hindi na.
Because you got
Yeah, because,
pregnant.
oo, I mean, pwede naman itago siguro. Pero, bawal ba? Bawal ba sa news ang buntis? Pakita
Oo,
nga.
naman yun. Kung bawal sa news ang... Depende.
Diba? I guess now hindi na.
ka
Pero
padala
dati,
sa gera. I mean, they're not gonna bring you there.
ako gusto ko nun dati. Mga ganon. But I did government channel news. And I did, yung tipong IBC 13, Balitang Hali ba yun?
Oh my God.
Tapos, yung tipong, sa mga kabataan dyan, yung prompter is, ganito na ako katanda, acetate. Na may electric fan sa loob ng studio sa kalagitnaan ng pagbabalita. Kunwari, General blah 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 blah, natagpuan ay nilipad yung acetate ng electric fan. At dyan po, nagtatapos ang ating balita ngayong tanghali. Kasi wala na, nalipad na siya. Ano ba yung RPN ba yun? IBC 13. Oh, yung ganong studio type, ganong katanda na. I did those news. I did showbiz news then for ABS before. I don't remember. Parang mga scoop ng mga ganyan.
Right.
So yun, parang it wasn't really the route. Kaya hindi rin ako na... Pero tanong natin, baka pwede pa tayo that's a very good question because a lot of people would really ask me that in private.
Right.
But you also, ikaw na mismo nagsabi sa akin kanina na you remember me saying
Yes. But vaguely, that's why I wanted to ask again.
So yun lang yun. I think, diba, parang ang pangit naman, nagka-show siya kasi,
Yes.
kasi
Jowa or asawa.
Jowa or asawa, exactly.
Yes.
So yun lang. Pero sayang, sana.
Malay mo naman.
Sana nagubad na lang ako. Komedyante rin kasi ako.
Yes,
so, okay.
yes. Actually, let's na-seg mo na. Wait, sorry, before anything else, what's your MBTI?
Anong MBTI? Ano yun? Ganun ba ako katanda?
Oo.
Oh my gosh! MBTI. Oh my
yung parang
gosh.
ENTJ, ESF, ganyan.
Okay. EJ something. MBTI pala tawag doon. Alam mo, hindi ko na yan ginagamit kasi mas naniniwala ako sa human design. Oh, di mo alam yun.
Hindi ko alam yung human design.
So, human design is mas updated. Wala na yung mga
ENFP. Ano yung human design mo?
Human design ko, marami kasi yan in human design. So, some guy na panaginipan lang niya, I know it sounds crazy, na panaginipan lang niya lahat ng ito, tapos naka-form siya ng isang malaking, malawak na human design.
Okay.
So, if you Google it, or if you ChatGPT it, natakot, Google, para matanda, okay. If you check it online, you will just answer just a few questions. What's your name? What's your birthday? And where were you born? Yun lang.
Astrology.
No, it has nothing to do with astrology. And then lalabas siya. So meron siya, for example, doon, your environment. Nakalagay sa akin is mountain. Ang galing. Because ano ibig sabihin ng mountain? Always being on top. For me to have a clearer picture of things, I always have to be on, medyo deep na to I have to be on top.
Yeah.
So, ano yung top na yun? ang galing kasi the best plans that I make, yung mga ideas ko, is when I'm on an airplane.
Oh.
Nagta-travel, na parang guide siya. Wala siyang paltos. Anyone who does it, nakaka-resonate.
Okay.
Yung sa husband ko, ang environment niya, for example, is marketplace. Tahimik siya eh. So, kaya ako yung environment niya maingay. Marketplace. Uy, totoo yun! Kahit
Na-try ko to after.
Baka marketplace din ang asawa mo,
Na-try
kaya
ko to
maingay.
after.
Yeah, so please try it. It will open up wonders. Human design. Tapos, hindi lang environment. It points out, are you sacral? Are you... Ang rami niyang pwedeng mapuntahan na hindi mauubos yung isang linggo pag pinag-aralan mo. Pero ang importante is makuha mo, tapos may mga numbers pa yan. You are a 2, 2, 1, 8, something,
Oh my
babasahin mo.
God.
So, wala na yung mga, kaya di ko na siya
MBTI?
alam. Oo, wala na yan.
Naku, palusot to.
Hindi alam. Pero hindi ko yung test yan before. I
Di
was
mo
at
lang sure.
EJ or E something.
I'm
EF,
sure
oo.
you are ENTJ. I am fucking sure.
Super
ako.
sure?
I'm sure we're same.
Okay, ano yun?
That's the commander.
Talaga?
Extroverted and intuitive, something like ganyan. T is
Intuitive is yes. Kasi sacral ako sa, pinasok ko na ito human design. Kailangan, hindi ako magdedesisyon gamit ito or
right,
ito.
right.
Kailangan gut feel. So kung wari, nag-message tayo dalawa, chat, punta ka dito. Okay. Depende sa gut.
yes,
Kailangan
yes.
gut. So anything na cerebral na nag-decide ako, baduy, pangit palagi. So yun, sacral. So tama ka, intuitive.
Right. So mga thinking, iba-iba siya.
Oo.
But basically, the archetype is the commander.
Commander.
CEOs, presidents,
But I'm also
generals.
shy,
Uy!
Ayaw maniwala ng mga tao. Minsan shy ako. Pag nilagyan mo ako ng microphone at camera,
Never,
kaya ko.
never. 16 years, 17 years na kita kilala, never ka naging shy. 18 na nga ata, hindi ka shy.
Minsan shy ako.
Walang ka shy
Shy
sa'yo.
ako sa Taiwanese community kasi hindi ako marunong magsalita ng very fluent.
Iba
Ayan.
yun. Nanahimik ka
Oo.
kasi hindi mo alam sasabihin mo. Hindi dahil para may choice ka. Wala ka lang talagang choice.
O sige na, hindi na ako
Hindi ka shy.
introvert. Ang saya-saya maging introvert.
In fact, si Chal po they used to do improv.
Yes. Yes, so uso na siya ngayon, 'di ba? Parang you see it
Nag-trending
online.
sila eh.
Spit.
Yes, Spit
Philippine
Manila.
Falls Improv Manila. So I did Spit for 10 years.
Wow.
10 years of improv comedy. And I love the art. Yung art ng improvisation. Ganito, no scripts,
Right.
pero you're able to tell jokes and all. Pero I left during the pandemic. Kwento ba? Basta I left during the pandemic.
Okay.
I left during the pandemic. And I feel like, wow, arami ko natutunan. Kasi it's an art form best paired with other things. So, hindi siya, for example, applied improv tawag doon eh. So, yung nakikita niyong comedy ng improv, hindi lang yan basta-basta, may mga hugot yan na kailangan galing sa truth, kailangan mag-yes and ka, mga ganyan, I don't consider them rules, no? But when you use it, like in my hosting, I still use a lot of improv.
Yes.
I can work with no script and I play the games.
Right.
Yung mga games na nakikita nyo na online ngayon, yan, I play the games when I host or even with my kids. So, yun, 10 years. 10 solid years of improv. Imagine that. Comedy.
Do you plan to go back or like do comedy again or something similar?
It's fun, but I think I outgrew it in a way. Kasi, ganito yun.
Okay,
Ito
go.
na. Okay.
Eto na.
Patay ako.
Ito na ang tsaa.
You know, when it comes to comedy, ang comedy naman nangyayari kasi there's always tragedy. Pero for me, comedy is tragedy plus right timing. Okay? So, hindi ka pwede magtawa-tawa at mag-joke about 9/11 kung
Oh, yes,
diba?
yes,
Nangyari lang. So, it comes with right timing too. So, I guess it's my right timing to share it.
Okay.
So, I used to be with the improv group called Spit, and they're super famous now. I love a lot of the people who are there. The founder, si Gabe Mercado.
Oh,
Okay ka ba, Chan?
I know Gabe.
Oo, but he's not super active
Yeah.
na with them, no? But he's one of the founders, among others, like sina Jay Ignacio and so many. Nasa band rin sila before, ganyan. There was a tweet pa nun. Who wants to do improv? And I said, me! Without knowing what improv was. And I was so lucky na they took me in And, I trained with them and I learned so much. We did so much performances from the art world to the comedy world, so on and so forth. But also, you can't help it, just like any band. Just like any, di ba mga banda, just like any band, nadidisband, di ba?
Yeah.
So, within that group, I experienced, it's not really bullying kasi I grew up being the bully. So, I think, ang nangyari, bata ako, bully ako eh. Pero, I outgrew them in such a way that certain people, not all, okay, that I felt like one particular person was using me. Ooh. Huwag din natin banggitin.
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
So I felt the need to also leave. But it took a series of mga events before I actually did and chose that. In a way na rin, hindi na rin, kasi if you do improv, dapat in a group, kailangan super in sync kayo eh. Super in sync.
Camaraderie.
Oo, everyday kayo magkasama, everyday talaga. Oh, I mean, not everyday, but every week may rehearsals yan ha. You have to practice, you have to practice and you have to, may rapport dapat.
Yes.
Like tayo may rapport kasi we
Yes,
know
yes.
each other. So something like that, no? So I felt that, ito yung tinuturo ng improv. Ito yung sinasabi ninyo. Ito yung values. Pero bakit medyo iba yung nangyayari behind the scenes? But that didn't happen for everyone. A lot of them are still my friends and I really have high respect for most of the players. Sina Ding Dong, sina Ariel. These are top-notch improv comedians, also theater people.
Oh.
Grabe, top-notch talaga. When you work with them, you feel the professionalism and you learn so much from them. So, yun lang.
Parang
Yun
kilala
lang
ko
din.
to.
Talaga?
Parang kilala ko. Mamaya.
Hindi,
Sabihin
okay
natin.
lang. Kung
Mamaya.
ano. But,
Ayoko sabihin dito.
but I just felt like, ganun din naman sa banda, diba? I'm sure mga love teams, mga banda or what, may mga ganyan
Tsaka
din.
talagang minsan talaga may taning lang. You know what I mean? Like, there's there's like,
Pero
hanggang
loyalista
dito.
ako, Kring. Loyalista nga ako, diba? So brands that I work with, I still work with now. The same husband I had, diba, many years ago and my partner, loyalista ako. So 10 years. But it has to be really something grabe for me to really.
Yeah, that makes
oo.
sense.
Pero nagpaalam man ako ng maayos to Gabe who took me in. Nag-message ako sa kanya, I'd like to thank you, for the years and all. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung fame lang naman, I think that's a story of my life. I get inserted in spaces na pwedeng sumikat or, but biglang later I kind of back out. Kasi hindi rin naman, I did improv comedy, hindi para sumikat.
My gosh, that time pa lalo na hindi
Walang
diba?
bayad.
Oo.
Walang bayad yon. Like, happy na kami sa 200 pesos at libreng pakain. Oo. It was really the art form. May art form talaga siya and tool siya, diba? Kasi kung kasikatan lang, that wouldn't be the route. And I felt like this particular person was fully focused entirely. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
Walang mali na gustong sumikat.
Yes.
Okay, I think it was just the method na ginamit
Or
para sumikat.
The
Oo.
energy that this person is giving out. Na parang okay na naman sumikat ka, pero not to the detriment of other people.
Exactly. O yun. So, yun lang. I think that happens lang talaga in life. But I still love them when people ask me, do you know Spirit? I give their number. I mean, I still share na you can contact them, you can book them and all. So, I still love the art form. Will I get back to it?
Gawa ka ng sarili mo.
Siguro split. Kasi we have a group of friends na there are other split members. So ang split ngayon kasi it's a mix eh. There's old and new.
Right.
So there may mga bago nang pumasok sa split ngayon na
Yes,
nakikita
yes.
nyo. But there are also other great, amazing improv players na umalis na rin. But sila nagtaguyod ng improvisation.
In the Philippines.
I mean, not naman in
Or
the
like-
entire, but of Spit.
Yeah.
They're the ones who really started it also together with some of the old members who are still in Spit, no? And we have this joke going na split. But I guess I'm in line with them that we're not after the fame. Ang
Right.
habol talaga namin is the art form
And the
or the experience
the-
of it. But I'm just happy that marami ng tao ang gumagamit. Walang monopoly na ang improv kami
Dapat
lang.
sila
Oo.
lang.
Actually, ang galing. Like, I remember si McCoy Dubs who I met
Yeah,
when a
yeah.
friend. Minessage ko siya nung pandemic. I think you should do improv. Like, bagay ka. And I think he tried out or he did the classes or something. And he has his own group now also.
He does?
Oo, di ba? Not many people know that. So, ano talaga siya? Magandang additional siya sa life.
Right,
Oo,
right,
tapos pwede
right.
mong gamitin in many things. I still teach applied improv when asked. Oo, kasi I didn't naman study formally in terms of going to schools abroad. Although
Yeah,
we've
yeah.
performed abroad before.
Wow.
Yeah. Applied improv, like in my son's school, tinuturuan ko or yung mga teachers how to do, it's for everyone. So, and nakikita ko na rin online ngayon yung mga games.
Yes,
Diba?
yes,
Yun na rin
yes,
yun
yes,
eh.
yes.
Oo,
Actually,
yeah.
ginagamit na. Ina-apply
Ginagamit na siya. Mas
Correct,
ginagamit na siya.
Correct, correct.
Ang rule lang naman dyan is yes and. Yes and meaning, you say yes, you agree, and then hindi lang, when you say yes, it's not enough. That's still a no in improv. Hindi yung, ano yun? Let's say yung, ninakawan ka ng bag.
Okay.
Tapos, kuwari, may scene tayo, sabihin mo, oo nga, wala yun, walang scene, patay yun, that's still a no.
Right.
Or
Dapat
hindi rin yan
dugtungan mo.
or hindi rin yan typical na Filipino, before yung Filipino humor na, nanakawan ka! Bakit inggit ka? Yung may tabla, 'di ba? Or something. You have to yes and, ninakawan ka! Oo, nakasawa ko. So, may build-up ng story. Yes and siya. So, yun yung pinaka-backbone of it.
Right,
Oo.
right. Nako, ang daming tsaa.
Natsaa ako na naman. Papatay na naman ako.
I love it. And I think for once we return, marami pang tsaa ang i-spill ni Chan. I want to talk about your what to call this? Your business
Travel.
woman side. Kasi
Okay.
talaga everybody loves traveling, especially now.
Oo.
So, gusto ko makakuha ng mga tips or mga kwento,
Okay,
ganyan,
okay.
from you. Sa pagbabalik ng Think Talk Tea. Hello mga katsaa, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, siguraduhin mag-like, i-share, at mag-comment sa baba. At kung gusto niyo pang mapanood or mapakinggan ng mga iba naming episodes, please subscribe. So yun na nga, Chal. Ngayon, for more than a decade na ata, I think, you've been handling a travel agency.
Yeah, so Geron Travel, so we're 30 plus years. So,
30 plus?
30 plus, kasi syempre it was my mom's before she passed away. And
Right,
then I
right,
took
right.
over unknowingly. Kasi nga, hindi naman yun yung linya na gusto ko. I wanted to do news, so and so forth, diba? But eventually, yun yung mga naging passions ko. Aside from hosting, women empowerment, and then travel.
Yes.
And
yes.
entrepreneurship. Kaya hanggang ngayon, diba, go negosyo pa rin. Oo.
But ever since yun talaga, talagang naman nasa...
Yun pa rin.
Di ba yun yung linya mo talaga?
Hindi naman ako nagbago.
To be fair sa'yo, nung nakilala kita, parang yan na yung parang keywords mo. Keywords!
Gusto ko yun.
Diba?
Keywords.
Yun yung keywords mo sa life. So, ngayon, because your mom is Taiwanese and you would go there a lot growing up, would you say na ang specialty ninyo is, I know you do all countries, di ba? Would you say that your specialty is Taiwan?
I would say na pioneer kami with Taiwan. Because back then kung di nyo alam, way back, Hong Kong ang pinupuntahan ng mga Pinoy. Many years back talagang Hong Kong, shopping sa Hong Kong, ganyan. And we were the pioneer, not one of, the pioneer to really push for Taiwan. Hindi pa visa-free dati ang Taiwan, ha?
Really?
Kailangan mo magpa-visa and we were the accredited one to do the visa process. But we were pushing na for visa-free. So, kami yun. We would bring media, traditional media pa noon, mga newspapers, ganyan, TV, to explore Taiwan. That's why I'm so happy now na, punta kang TikTok, lahat talaga, Taiwan. So, good. Kasi 2 hours away lang,
That's
diba?
why.
2 hours away lang, parang na-traffic ka lang papuntang Quezon City. Ako.
Siya,
Papuntang
ikaw.
Quezon City. Oo.
So parang sa Taiwan, of course, ang daling puntahan, visa-free,
Mura.
mura. Yes!
Mura.
Mura sa Taiwan.
Mura. Kasi di ka nagbabayad ng visa. Tapos ang raming airfares available.
Right.
From budget carrier, 2 hours lang naman. Why not? Diba? To the legacy carriers na tinatawag or main
Right,
carriers.
right.
In a day, there are like 13 flights, more or less 12 flights na lumilipad.
Fully book lagi?
Well, not every time, pero majority is laging,
Oh.
they will not have that kind or that much of flights kung hindi walang
True.
demand, diba?
That's
So
true.
I'm
That
so
makes
happy
sense.
na everyone is loving Taiwan. We've been sharing about this. Dati, kailangan ko pa gamitin yung bubble tea para lang
Yes, I
ma-in love
remember.
yung mga tao. Bubble tea, bubble tea. Ngayon, naiintindihan na talaga yung street food, yung culture, yung mga tao, which is
Right.
beautiful.
Right. And I think a lot of I love Taiwan. I think whenever we go to Taiwan, I would always tell Jimmy, there's some energy here that resonates with me. I don't know why. The same thing that I felt with Bali, I guess.
Really?
very-
Oh, that's so good to hear.
Yes. Hindi ko alam kung dahil siguro our like lineage na may Pilipino galing sa Taiwan. Hindi ko alam galing sa
Oo,
Formosa.
merong, so nag-viral to when I put it out on TikTok. Merong linkage because our ancestors, yung mga aboriginals,
Yes.
when you go to Taiwan, there's an aboriginal group that actually speaks Tagalog.
No.
Yes. Or Bisaya also. Parang dalawa pa nga sila. I even attended a ceremony and ganoon din tawag nila kubo, lima, isa, dalawa, tatlo, lima. You know, so we are connected.
Connected,
We
right,
are connected one way or another. Sure na ako
Yes.
doon. Nung nagbatanes ako, kunento sa akin ng mga locals doon na marami sa kanila nakapag-asawa ng Taiwanese. Kasi dati, hindi pa strict yung border. Pag may salo-salo once a year, bumibisita yung mga aboriginals from Taiwan.
Yes.
And then nagkita-kita sila. Ngayon, lumilipad na sila. Pupuntang Manila, tapos Batanes. Pero
Ah.
dati, that's why there are mga marriages na mixed rin in Batanes. And yeah, so we are super connected.
Yes. But of course, you don't only do Taiwan, right?
Yes.
Ano ang masasabi mo ngayon na parang trends in terms of traveling? Ngayon, 2025, di ba? Especially after the pandemic. Ano yung mga parang feeling mo mga Pinoy talagang Gina puntahan or anything that you can
Okay.
share?
Locally muna tayo.
Okay, locally.
Malaking bagay ang social media. We all know sa travel. Kasi yung mga dating okay lang, nabibigyan ng extra meaning and story ng storya, di ba? So,
Yes.
Zambasu is one, pero Zambasuta is also another one. So that's Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi.
Okay.
So these are places na hindi pa super sikat pero gaining traction already. Watch out for that. Syempre, Batanes is there. Ang problema lang is mahal.
Yes, that's true.
Oo, 'di ba? Lahat tayo nagsasabi, bakit mas mahal pa pumunta sa Pilipinas kaysa sa mga Asian
Taiwan,
countries
oh.
or Vietnam, 'di
Yes,
ba?
yes.
So, but Batanes is also for me big treasure 'yan at dapat puntahan kasi ang Batanes walang mall, bawal. Bawal ang walang fast food chain, original state.
I love that.
Very beautiful, siguro kung ano naramdaman mo sa Bali, mararamdaman mo rin sa Batanes.
You know, when I was much, much younger, like mga around the time that we were, working, Batanes was my ideal place.
go to, oo.
I even said I wanted to get married there. And then for some reason, I kind of forgot,
Ito
and
na,
I've
balikan
never
natin.
been there. Yun na nga, I've never been there. I've been to many different places. Paulit-ulit na nga, pabalik-balik ka. But I never got the chance to go to Batanes. So, I guess siguro goal ko yan. Soon, mag-Batanes.
Go, yes. You have to go January. February, para malamig.
Oh.
Kasi pag mainit talaga.
Sa Batanes.
Oo. But those are the good months to go, January, February.
Have you been to Zambasuta?
I've been to Basilan,
How
Zamboanga.
was it? Zamboanga is okay
Oo,
naman.
yeah,
Kasi,
oo. Actually, maraming flights to Zamboanga.
yes,
Mura
yes.
pa.
Pero yung
So,
mga tawi-tawi, Sulu, parang,
not yet. Pupuntahan pa lang. Pero Basilan, yes. So, it was I did also a travel show during the pandemic with baka kilala mo na rin.
sino?
Kilala mo, naiwan kasama rin natin during the days of shooting Go Negosyo. Balik ako,
Okay,
mamaya,
okay.
pag naalala ko yung name. Anyways, Basilan.
Luandi?
No, hindi host.
Okay.
Okay. So anyways, Basilan is actually complete opposite of what it has been marketed. Nagera, patayan, ganyan. Complete for me, That's my impression when I went there. Kasi the mayor is Catholic. You have people from Cebu flying in there and choosing to live there.
Oh.
You have the marriages na magkaiba ng relihiyon. So very mixed ang Basilan. Hindi siya parang how we think of it na magulo or what, no? It's just that merong army camp sa Zamboanga. So obviously may mga umaaligid because nandun yung camp nila, parang Camp Aguinaldo. And because of what happened in previous many years back until it got branded. Nakakatawa kasi when I went to Basilan, be safe, 'di ba? But now medyo hindi na ganoon. Medyo mas aware na yung mga tao. And then yung sa Zamboanga naman, nakasakay ako ng Vinta.
I love it!
Diba sa Hekasi? Sa
Lumalabas ang edad natin dito.
Hekasi, Civica pa yun, diba?
Civica at
Na nakikita
Kultura.
mo lang siya. And then you learn na, it's still here. Meron talagang mga Vintas. So, I think ito locally are worth visiting more on the Mindanao side kasi siya yung less explored eh.
Ito, parang kumbaga, places to watch out for.
Watch out for, and I'm inviting you guys to do it.
Shit, I
Oo.
wanna go.
Kasi hindi naman pwede. Remember, to begin with, Filipinos prior to being colonized, we were actually Muslims.
Yeah, that's
Or,
true.
sorry, if not Muslims,
Pagans.
pagans. Oo, pagans.
I think I probably was pagan.
Yeah,
a
pagan.
Yeah.
Oo. So, and for someone like me na, I grew up in a Catholic all-girls school, pero I actually am agnostic. Like, you believe in God, you believe in Allah,
Right,
you believe in
right.
it doesn't matter to me. Bordering, lalay na nga yata ako ng atheist eh. But, I just beautiful to witness this na, we have this sa bansa natin. The Muslims in our country are so rich in culture.
That's true.
Grabe. Not just with food, not just with the arts, yung mga weaves natin. Ibang klase. Alam mo, natutunan ko pa sa labas na yung salita nating salamat is actually Muslim. Salamat. Nagulat ako.
Or
Do you
salamat
know-
datang, mga ganyan.
Kasi yung salamat is many peace. Hindi maraming pieces. Yung many
Yes,
peace be
yes,
with
yes.
you. So, meron talaga tayong history ng Muslim
That's true. Definitely.
world. So, I believe that more visits to Mindanao will create more demand, obviously, and they will continue to grow and improve rin yung mga locations nila, yung ano nila. Pero ngayon pa lang, people are already seeing and visiting it. Hindi lang Davao, kasi syempre Davao given
is
na yan.
Davao.
Eh. Oo.
Pero when you go ba to Mindanao, and of course for some, I mean, I've been to Mindanao, but
Oo.
just like the major cities, right? I haven't
Oo.
been to Zamboanga, I
Oo.
haven't been to Basilan,
Oo.
ganyan. Would you still, back in the day, you would need some like escorts eh. Like, ano
Well, they
tawag
say
nito?
like, if you visit Tawi-Tawi, it's nice to work with an accredited travel agent or may ganun talaga, may plug. Or to just inform at least the tourism office. I think it's more also not just for security, but out of respect because you're going there as an observer, as a, 'di ba? Parang when you visit these places, ang binibisita naman doon hindi naman shopping mall. Ang binibisita is yung pamamaraan ng pamumuhay nila. So it's like tayo yung nag-i-intrude within their lifestyle or their lives, no? So it's good to always still advise. And work with a partner agent or a partner, even the local agents there. Marami na rin sila eh. They're really promoting it. So that's one for local.
But like what I know is like even before pa mag-open to, kumbaga before mag-open yung
makilala through social media.
Yes.
Oo.
But what they're saying is that oh my God, pag once mag-open tong mga to, patay kay sa beaches nito kasi sobrang hindi talaga siya na ano tawag doon?
Untouched.
Virgin.
Virgin.
Yes. Sana all virgin.
Like me.
Wow!
My ears.
Okay. Alam na kasi anak mo eh.
Hindi, virgin ears.
Okay.
Wala po.
Oh yeah, wala ka pala butas.
Wala akong butas. Wala akong butas sa tenga. Okay? Dati virgin ears and nose. Pero nag-pandemic. So, hindi na to virgin. Ito virgin pa rin. Totoo yan. Okay. Anyways, going back to virgin beaches. Yes. Like Basilan has premium white beaches. I've heard is it Holo or Tawi-Tawi too that they have these beaches. Even certain places in Cagayan. There's so many still na hindi pa na-explore. And I hope na dahan-dahan lang siya magbukas para tama yung pagka-expose sa kanya at maayos. Oo.
Yeah, kumbaga preserved pa din.
Oo, kasi people still actually get their food
yes,
still. Talagang
yes.
pamumuhay nila, they live by the sea.
Yes.
There should be a good balance and to do it the right way. Pero totoo yan, like patay kayo. Like, kaya sila happy doon. Oo, kasi they have it. Good seafood.
Are they happy? Like very happy there, like living there?
Oh, okay. I mean, di ba Davao pa lang, and then you have Cagayan de Oro, all of these places, and then you move all the way back to Basilan nga, and all of these places na medyo people are still thinking twice, but there is a lot there. Like, there is a lot. Zamboanga na lang, it's a main hub. super main hub yan. Kasi access point mo yan para sa mga tawi-tawi, holo,
Correct,
basilan.
correct. Pero pag kunyari, pupunta ka ba sa mga beaches nila, can you wear bikini? Or dapat, Or hindi pwede?
Pwede
Dapat,
naman. Pwede naman.
okay lang.
Oo, pwede naman. Ay, depends, I guess, kung anong beach ang pupuntahan mo kasi hindi rin naman lahat is public swimming beach. Yung iba talaga is really still untouched and bare.
Oh!
Oo, talagang untouched and bare. May pink sand po.
Sa
May pink
Zamboanga,
sand po
no?
sa Zamboanga.
I
Yes.
know,
oo.
I know.
So, tara na.
So that would be locally, right?
Okay.
How about internationally? Ano ang, kasi alam mo, ako talaga, really, my dream to go to Europe, but it's the visa and everything. So, parang ang hassle, you know what I mean? So,
Well, yun ang natin, visa, diba?
Oo.
Being a third world country.
True.
But in truth naman, it's not that difficult. Like,
Bleh.
yes, it's not that difficult. Well, ako, coming from, that's my industry, and
Yes,
trabaho
yes.
ko to, kami yung gumagawa, diba? Ang point lang naman is patunayan mo na
Babalik
babalik ka. Oo. I don't know if aware kayo, like the whole Korea thing right now, kaya nahirapan with visa for some time is because maraming di bumalik.
Totoo, after
Nakakahiya.
nung pandemic. Pagbukas na pagbukas.
Oo, maraming, diba? So
Yes,
parang,
very much
so
aware.
it's just that. But if you're talking about hot places, what's interesting now is that because of social media, ang laki talaga ng epekto ng social media, people are having a different take in going to certain places. So, kung before no mga 90s, okay, hindi pa kayo buhay noon, 90s, di ba, the big American dream.
Yes.
Complete opposite na, wala na yon. Minsan nga, baliktad pa
Yeah, nobody-
Nakakatakot na
yes.
pumunta ng Amerika, di ba?
True.
So, now it's really shifting more to, yes, you have the European side, but even the direction back to Asia.
I love Asia. Can I just say, kasi I have some friends who
Vietnam,
migrated to
oo.
Canada,
Oo.
to Germany, mga barkada ko. Nasa
Oo.
Canada, nasa Germany, nasa New Zealand. So, para kaming
Oo.
since high school. And I would always tell them, sabi niya, saan tayo magka-travel if we're gonna go together? I would always tell them, guys, Asia is the way to go.
Yes.
I don't even know how to explain. If you don't want to go back to the Philippines, fine. Pero it's like Asia is
Bravo,
young. Diba? Asia is a
bravo.
young
Continent.
How do I say? Not even kasi syempre China, matatagal na naman sila. But it's a young energy
Okay.
As opposed if you go to Europe,
Oo.
it feels very
Dated.
if they're not they're not as like alam mo yun?
ano yan?
Diba?
Ano yan?
They're not as ganyan
Namimiss ko to, Kring.
Diba? Totoo ba ako?
Hindi, I don't get me wrong. I love exploring all these new
Of
places.
course, of course.
Kasi if you really want, how do you say, bang for your buck or really to imagine these people come and fly long haul to visit things in Asia and we
Yes.
have the advantage kasi ang
Yes.
lalapit na.
Yes.
Vietnam pa lang, nagdagdag na ng mga direct flights to Da Nang. Di ba yung these are the places na before di mo naririnig, alala mo lang Saigon or Ho Chi Minh or
Correct.
Hanoi.
Yes.
Ngayon, ang rami na. Meron
Yes.
pang kung ano-ano sa Vietnam na ine-explore. So, and it's so cheap, but the food is so good. And you really get to stretch not just your money, but your time there.
Yes.
Pwede ka mag 5 days.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
So, it's a safe, kahit naman sa China ngayon, it's tumataas na rin yung appreciation. May visa yun, ha? If you go online, grabe, because China is like the future.
That's
Right
true.
now, yung mga pay with your palm, yun yung
Yes.
mga inaano nila.
Yes, I heard about that.
They're showing you the future through traveling. So, true yan, na as much as we want to keep looking out, syempre may mga Greenland, Iceland, Svalbard, yung mga ganyan na mga names, na mga in Norway, diba, wherever, Finland, these are like super like dream destinations, Santa's Town, whatever. Iba pa rin ang vibe ng Asia. Imposibleng maubusan ka dito. Ang Pinoy pa nga lang, laging bumabalik sa Japan eh.
Yeah, true.
But ako nga, I try to, yes, I love Japan, my husband loves Japan, but I try to really make sure na there are other places na pwede pang ma-explore
Explore.
sa Asia.
So
Asia.
your recommendation would be Vietnam.
Well, right now, what's really hot? Kung hot ang pag-uusapan, Vietnam. Kaya nga
Okay.
nagdagdag ng flight yung mga airlines na.
Right.
Biglang may direct flight si PAL ng Danang, si Cebu Pacific, nagkaroon din, di ba? So parang, So that really shows you that there's a demand. Kasi
Right.
people are experiencing it na, yung 20,000 ko, pwede na ng ganon? Pwede na ako mag-weekend? Ang saya-saya ko na, kompleto na. Then, of course, you have, you mentioned Bali. Kasi yan yung mga hindi isang lugar lang. Pwede ka in this side spiritual, in this side party side, in this side beach side, di ba?
Yes,
So,
yes.
meron siyang identity
Yes,
na
yes.
So, yun nga yung sinasabi ng mga foreigners kung bakit, number one question, bakit ba ang ganda-ganda ng Pilipinas, pero ang pinupuntahan is Thailand? Di ba?
Yeah,
Common question natin.
yeah.
Sasagutin ko na.
Sagutin mo nga,
Sagutin ko
please!
na. Masakit man sabihin, but it's because when they come to us, they feel like we're just them. Kumbaga, okay, another place na I can speak English. I can, parang...
It doesn't feel exotic enough like
I don't
that?
know if exotic's the right word kasi, but to be very straight to the point, parang ganon. Very authentic enough. O kasi pag pumunta kang Thailand, punta ka lang sa bookstore ng Thailand, talagang they really still Thai pa rin lahat, 'di ba?
Gets.
Very authentic yung meals, and then
Gets.
when you have pad Thai, you can go to the streets, 'di ba? Dito wala nga tayong market na pwedeng dalhin ang mga turista eh.
Totoo yan.
As in yung night market
Totoo yan.
Like dadalhin ko sila sa farmers market para makita yung mga isda and all, pero yung dati ko pa yung pinopropose na dapat yung Baclaran gawing official night market katabi ng simbahan, very unique. Oo.
Yeah.
Pero wala tayong night market. Si Vietnam meron, si Thailand meron, si Cambodia
Taiwan,
meron,
napakadami.
maraming night market.
Yeah.
Every other, kahit Japan may market, 'di ba? So parang
Yes.
so yung authenticity, we've been promoting it as beaches. So beautiful ang beaches natin, top notch.
Oh,
Top
best in
notch.
the world.
Best in the world
best in the
talaga.
world.
But I guess that authenticity na sino ka, ano ka.
Yeah, oh my God.
Oh.
That resonates so much with me kasi as someone who's in a multicultural household, there's always a discussion like,
Yes, sobrang multicultural. Nakachinelas ako. I love it kasi lumaki rin akong ganito, di ba? Na hindi pwede pumasok basta-basta na nakasapatos. Ni-reveal ko lang. Okay, go. Go ahead.
kasi parang like,
Hindi nyo maintindihan yan unless talagang, kinagis na na.
yes,
Oo.
yes. Ako rin naman, ganyan lang ako
Small
when I got
things,
married with
oo.
him, di ba? But it's so easy for me to identify Korean culture. But Filipino culture, it's so hard for me to explain.
Ano ba? Kasi mix talaga. Well,
That's
we're
why,
colonized, diba?
that's
So,
why.
we have that Spanish side and we have the American side. So, yun lang. Yung identity, I
Yes.
think, is kulang. Kasi, pag sinabing punta ka Manila, sabihin nila, bakit? Mas maganda nga yung city ko eh.
Ano gagawin?
Oo, beaches. I have nothing against. I believe there's so much to do here. Yun nga yung trabaho ko. I promote the Philippines eh. But
Right.
this is what I hear
Yes.
from people. Yun lang. Oo. Yes.
Then, okay, sige. When we come back, I want to know what's your proposal to make travel more...
Secretary naman to.
Dapat ikaw na talaga.
Ay, gusto mo ako patayan ng No, sige, I have proposal.
Yes. Kasi para kung hindi natin...
Mag-propose rin sila.
Oh,
Mamaya,
bakit kung hindi natin
Tapos mamaya pwede na ako magtanong
Magtanong
sa'yo.
ka anytime. Magtanong ka anytime sa pagbabalik ng Think Talk Tea. Kayo ba ay nag-e-enjoy sa aming mga chikahan? Kung kayo po ay natutuwa sa episode namin, please help us in spreading the word. Please like this video, share this video, mag-comment po kayo sa baba at paniguraduhin mag-subscribe sa Think Talk Tea. Thank you! So ayun na nga. Chal, anong proposal mo para mas madaming pumunta sa Pilipinas na mga foreigners?
I think go back to the basics of our culture. Kasi kung beaches are beautiful, pero kung beaches lang papakita natin, kahit saan naman maraming magagandang beach, kahit na best yung atin. So, ano yung kultura? Like in Bali, di ba, very spiritual
I
sila. So, yun yung binigay nila.
Oo.
Oo. Yung mga Thais, alam rin nila yung kung sino sila in terms of their food. Very strong yan. Kasi, if you think about it, pagpunta ka Thailand, okay. Mas maganda pa beaches natin, pero bakit? Yun yung common question. Ilagay mo yan sa kahit anong social media platform, trending ka kaagad. Di ba? Bakit? Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. But it's because of the identity. So I think to market it, kailangan back to our identity. Hindi lang puro beautiful beaches. Kasi if you think about it, beautiful beaches nga, pero we have 7,600 islands. So kung ikaw foreigner magta-travel, tatalon-talon ka, ang mahal nun airfare, di ba? Airfare ang kalaban mo.
Yes. Nung kasi ako,
Kaya tayo mahal, actually.
Like,
We're considered expensive.
That's true.
Compared to going to other places. But it's not our fault. We have beautiful 7,600 islands.
And then also when I did back in the day, when I was much younger, I did a backpacking trip.
Oo.
Indochina. You know, like the Vietnam,
Okay,
ganyan.
okay.
Like mga for 2 weeks. So, syempre sabi mo, mga white people, ganyan. So,
Oo.
where are you going after this? Like, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand.
Minsan nasiskip.
You're not going to the Philippines? Oh, yeah. Kasi, yung Indochina, pwede nilang i-train. Pwede nilang i-bus.
Correct.
Plane pa sila pag Philippines eh. So, nakahiwalay kasi tayo. Kaya yung medyo disadvantage for us. But at the same time, I guess in a sense, that's an advantage.
Oo, iba tayo. Like, you can visit us on our own.
Yes,
Hindi mo kailangan
yes.
ng i-pair up.
Correct.
Pero dahil binanggit mo yung back in the day,
Ay,
isa-segue ko, gusto ko magtanong. Pwede ba magtanong? Yes, pwede. Wala kang choice. Ako po ay nag-ambush ng kanyang podcast. Ako naman po ang magtatanong. Kasi I've known Kring for so long.
I'm
And
25 I'm 25 years old, just so you know. I'm turning 25 on Tuesday.
so I've known you for 25 years. Totoo yun, yung 25 years. I've known you for 25 years. 23, mga 20 years. 20
Mala.
20 years, sure ako. Kinompute ko na.
Okay.
Sa maling math ko. Okay. So, I've known you for 20 years and kami, people around you, we've always known na star quality siya. You are. Kasi very strong yung personality mo, mabilis mag-isip, may presence palagi. Did you always plan and think na, it was leading to here before ka pa mga reality shows or what? Or it just happened also?
Wow! Oh my God! Wait!
Kasi
no.
ang galing ng evolution eh. Kung alam niyo yung
Yeah.
evolution ni Kring, sobrang galing. Oo.
No, I think I had parang kasing like, I've always been creative, I guess.
Oo naman.
So,
Before
parang
pa.
growing up, I was like, okay, I would do theater, like sa school, ganyan,
Oo.
I would do, but parang I've always done on-cam and off-cam. Let's put it that way.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
ganyan.
Oo,
So,
oo.
parang kunyari sa school.
O, parang bago tayo nagsimula dito, okay yung
Yes. So, parang, I guess I'm like, even though I wanted to get into show business, there was a time I really wanted to get into show business, but at the same time, I really couldn't go full all in because I still wanted to,
You understand that other side din.
and I wanted to do that. I wanted to be ever since I wanted to be a
So
filmmaker.
it's really part
since
of
I
the
was 12.
passion.
I
Okay.
really wanted to be a filmmaker since I was
Okay,
very
next
young.
question.
Ay.
Dahil ito yung title, Think, Talk, Tea, at lagi kang humihingi ng tea, ako naman hihingi ng tea sa'yo.
Okay.
Kasi si Kring, marami na siyang nakahalubilo na tao. You really got mixed into the industry world. 'Di ba? Daya naman kami lang palagi mag-share. Yes, sa showbiz world ka, you were very much in the showbiz world, pero ang mas maganda is you were behind the scenes also. So yung mga, meron ka na nun. So ano yung team mo? Gusto ko talaga malaman
Okay.
to.
Sige.
Kaya isang the tea.
Oh,
Ikaw
sige.
naman.
Shit. Pwede ko sabihin kung sino to.
Sige.
So I started in TV very, very young, diba?
Yes.
I was very young. So, one of my first jobs was as a, kasabay mo to kasabayan. Nung nag-goneg tayo nito, mga goneg era.
Okay.
Ay, hindi, just before goneg. Kasi I had shows prior to
Nervous
that.
ako for you. Okay.
But I had, so, one of my first jobs was a segment producer.
Okay.
Alam mo, pag yung mga as a writer, segment producer, ganyan, di ba, pinagpupuyat talaga kami sa magsulat ng script, di ba? Pupuyat kayo. Para isipin mo, ayoko mag-redundant yung lines. Kaya as a host also, very particular with what I say. Because alam ko yung mga host, yung mga
hirap,
writer,
oo.
pinaghirapan niya. Tapos ako, mag-a-adlib. Gago ba ako?
Oy, hala, parang ako yan. Oh.
Hindi, pero pag okay lang kapag
Oo.
ka. Pero pag yung tipong, kaya pag kunyari, nagsispills ako talaga, as much as possible, as is where is ko.
Yes.
Kasi alam ko pinag-isipan yun nung writer.
Yes.
So one time, nag-research ako, nagsulat ako ng segment.
Eto.
Binigay ko sa host. Tapos siguro yung host, di ko sure, feeling ko bangag siya or what, I don't know. It's a guy.
Drug, the joke.
It's a guy. Sabi ko
Oo.
sa kanya, binigay niya sa akin yung ano. Tapos ayaw niyang gawin yung, parang adlib siya ng adlib, na nagagano na din sa, alam mo yung parang, hindi na yun yung point nung part. Diba? Hindi na yun yung point nung segment.
Sikat ba to?
Nung araw, may pangalan siya.
Okay.
Nung araw!
Ngayon.
Na wala na din sa showbiz.
Hindi na.
Thank God. Hindi pa kasi tapos. Hindi pa ito tapos, Chal.
Yun yung clip ha. Thank God.
This is the worst part. Hawak ko yung script, right? Ulit-ulit siya. So, kinakat ko. Parang, pwedeng retake tayo. Kasi hindi yan yung point nga nung ano. As a, ilang taon ako, 21-year-old, parang feeling mo parang wala ka namang sinabi sa lipunan. Alam mo, parang, sino ba ako, diba? I was asking him to parang repeat from that take ulit.
Oh.
Tapos alam mo, parang nabatip siya sa akin. And parang he said something like, who the fuck wrote this anyway? Tapos binato niya sa mukha ko. Yung script.
Oh my God, pangalanan mo.
After this, sa pangalanan ko. But,
oh my God.
dahil mga lumang tao probably know who he is.
How did you take it? Binato mo ulit sa kanya?
Hindi, pinulot ko na lang. Tapos parang, anyway, parang I forgot how I took it. Basta,
I hope you're watching this now.
a couple of days later, a couple of months later,
God,
I got to direct my first show. So, director na, parang na-promote agad akong director. Tapos parang sabi ng boss, parang, sabi niya, pag natin audition na yung mga ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, pag pinag-audition mo siya, I'll resign.
Whoa! That's why you have to treat everyone right. Be human and act human.
Yeah, even if whether ako yung cameraman, tagahawak ng boom, maintenance, director, tama ba naman yung ganunan mo ako ng script sa mukha mo?
No, it's not right.
It is not right.
It's not
And it's
right.
not the first thing, that's not the only thing that he did to our staff. Like, kilala mo si Jeff Olaybar.
Sige, labas mo na.
Kilala mo si Jeff Olaybar.
Oh.
Pinaiyak niya yan. Kasi nagtatanong lang naman siya, parang tinatanong niya si Jeff, parang saan ba pupunta ng location?
Pakilagay na po sa comment section ng mga hula ninyo. One clue before I move on to the next question.
Mistiso siya.
Mistiso, na pangit ang ugali. Okay. Next question. Bago ako mapunta sa love.
Okay.
Kung may bad na ganito, ano naman yung isang good? Let's also give light to the people na nakatrabaho mo. Whether in behind the scenes or also in front, na talagang okay siya. Okay talaga.
Okay, hindi na ako lalayo. Melay Cantiveros, Francisco.
Yeah, okay.
I think I even did a TikTok na medyo trending. Sabi ko,
why? Wait, why? Baka sabihin nila kasi sikat, kasi kasama mo
hindi.
ngayon. Oo.
No.
Why?
Well, tao si Melay eh.
Real? Kung
sobra
ano yung,
eh. As in, siya yun eh. Worse pa siya.
Worse pa in a good way.
In a good way.
Oo.
Na parang syempre, bawal siyang mga kung ano sinasabi niya sa camera, di ba? Pag behind the scenes, talagang
yun.
sobrang, kumpara mo talaga kapitbahay.
Yun na yun talaga. What you see is what you get.
What you see is what you get. At hindi siya nahihiya, hindi siya parang sabi niya, pag wala na ako mag-showbiz, babalik ako ng Jensen, mag-business ako doon. Hindi siya takot mawalan ng karera. Kasi sobrang ganun siya ka-secure sa sarili niya.
Galing.
Parang hindi naman niya pinangarap mag-showbiz, sabi niya. Nagkataon lang.
So, eto na rin.
Yeah. So, sobrang favorite kong artista si Melay. Nagkataon lang na naging director niya ako, naging katrabaho ko siya. So, but the best.
Okay. Last question.
Yes, okay.
Ako, pakilagay lang po yung mga questions niyo sa comment section para matanong natin next time. Okay. Magiging tita ako dito.
Okay.
You've been married for 11 years.
Yes,
okay.
more or less. 10 and a half.
What is the family plan? What is the next part of your planning with the love that you're doing? Is it a new business?
Oh.
Is it jumping to something more exciting? Is it even motherhood? May ganun bang plano?
No, motherhood was never part of the plan. That's why we decided not to have children, right?
This is clear. Cut na pag-usapan nyo.
Yes.
Uy, maraming ganito. I also have friends like this na talagang from the start, now, this is not us. Why?
Okay, many people have asked me that. Why did you decide not to have children? Personally, I would always say,
I'm sorry for asking it. By the way, it's none of our business. But thank you for sharing your business.
It's not a sensitive topic for me.
Okay.
But my point is, I feel like I could share more of myself to the world if I have no children.
Ganyan din yung sabi ng friend ko, barkada ko rin, na parang, maubusan ako ng oras para sa inyo. Oh, so, okay, clear yon.
Yes.
There was no debate ever since.
But it was gradual. Initially, kala namin we were gonna have children. And then eventually, we're like, parang hindi.
Okay.
Tapos yun na. Then we decided, okay, we're not gonna have children.
Okay, and my last question. May kanina pa ako naglalas. My last question. What's the greatest dream?
For me?
Yeah, kasi hindi to pang showbiz na to. Curious ako kasi kilala ko si Kring. Grabe yung evolution palagi.
Talaga ba, oy?
Hindi. Na nakikita, hindi tayo nag-uusap, pero bigla na lang susulpot ka, makikita kita on TV, reality show. Bigla makikita kita on online, 'di ba? Tapos she also in business, 'di ba? You have your community also. So parang, what's next? Parang nabuo mo na, naka 360. Actually, naka 360 ka na. AD, sarili mo, from being a director to actually knowing how to produce like this and to being in front of the camera. And it doesn't end there. Even creating the community, which I think is the hardest. That's the hardest. Ako kasi wala akong ganyan, community skills. Friendly ako, magaling ako, pero community takes a lot of care. So na 360 mo na, anong dream mo? Anong dream mo?
Oh my God.
TikTok tea.
Yeah, well, okay, small dream lang. I mean, that's small. One of the dreams, actually. One of the dreams lang is, of course, to make TikTok tea
Bigger.
Yan, okay? That's a given, you know?
Oo,
Like,
oo.
syempre, ba't ka gagawa kung ayaw mo naman maging successful?
Correct,
Diba?
correct.
But if you,
Thank you, di ka plastic. Thank you.
diba? Pero kung tatanungin mo talaga ako, kasi wala na akong goal sa buhay. I've stopped. Something that I learned recently, you know,
Okay.
I don't have goals, I have intentions.
Ano yun?
So,
I know intention, but ano yung
kasi
intention?
yung goal, you have like KPIs, meron kang
gusto ko kumita ng ganito. Okay, okay.
wala
So,
na
ano
ako
yung
dyan.
intention?
So, my intentions, for example, is like,
Is it a personal thing? Like personal growth na?
It's like healthy and loving relationships. That's an intention.
Oh my gosh, oo.
You know, maximize, actually, my biggest dream is to maximize my existence, my life, whatever that means.
Maximize, wait lang, i-digest ko lang wait
Sige.
lang. Totoo to, wait. Maximize ano?
Maximize my
My
life,
existence.
my existence.
Yung pagkatao ko.
Become a full human.
Man, pagkatao ko.
Whatever
Oh my gosh.
life will bring. Wala na ako dun sa, tapos na ako dun sa point na, kasi I'm into spirit.
Bakit yung akin 1 billion pa rin?
Kasi kita mo,
Man!
kasi for example, okay, like, oh my God, media empire. If I'm so to talk to that,
Pero meron pa ba? May empire pa ba ngayon?
hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko
Parang
alam.
It's actually so beautiful that it was already uniform na anyone, pwede ka na sa toilet mo, nasa banyo mo,
Right.
anyone can hold a platform and have an audience.
Yes.
Oo.
Of course, given naman yung parang overflowing prosperity, abundance, I mean,
Oo.
given na yan, but it's still an intention. I have no specific like magkaano, ganun. Wala na
Gamitin
akong
ko yan.
ganun.
Pahirama.
Sure.
Intention. Okay.
Kasi parang sometimes I feel like, and it is a
Nag-evolve ka na nga, Kring.
Maraming salamat.
I can feel it. Oh.
This is something that I can share with our viewers, that sometimes we are too caught up on our goals, on our like KPIs. Basically,
Oo.
parang ano tawag ito,
Kailangan
parang
listahan.
nakakalimutan mo na how it is to fully become a human being, to fully be yourself, to fully live, to become an observer of your life.
Pumapalakpak ako, hindi dahil joke, okay? Totoo yan. Kahit na nag-joke ako, pero gusto ko pa rin 1 billion.
Yeah, true.
I
naman.
understand that because I'm also currently in my life wherein nagiging aktivista ba ako? Because I'm super like sharing about, I've been this pro-Palestine thing and all of these issues.
Are you?
Oh yeah, I've been sharing about it, which confuses my little tiny audience na, ano to? Ano nangyayari? Oo, kay Child. But I really put it out there na activist. Nagkakaroon ako never ako sumasama sa mga rallies ha.
Yeah.
Kahit anong rally, hindi mo ako makita. But right now, I'm really speaking up very bluntly and taking action. So gusto ko yung sinasabi mo na full existence. Yun talaga yung clap ko na, oh my gosh, I understand what you mean.
Yes. And even like with Maria Ozawa, when I interviewed
What
her.
did you say?
No, kasi I was like telling her, you know, your past is just part of your existence. Siyempre may past siya na, ano, diba? It doesn't define you. We will all die and we will be topsoil.
Ito ba yung uso ngayon na seasons? Yun may season ng mga, lagi ko naririnig.
Hindi ko alam yung seasons na yan!
Ay naku, kasi yung mga podcast na nakikita ko online, lahat na lang, pansinin nyo. Ngayon na binanggit ko, every time you go online, mapapansin nyo.
Seasons?
Lahat ng mga tao, ang sagot nila, it's just a part and a season of my life. It was a season. We all have our seasons. Pero kasi parang ganun din na, your past is just a season.
Yeah, but I don't
Like
look at it like that. I look at it more in a sense na parang you had to go through that to kumbaga para siyang okay, bad example, video game.
Okay.
Bago ka maka-move sa
Next
level, kailangan mo pagdaanan yan.
Okay.
And all of us have different kinds of level.
Asang
ng
level
game.
ka na?
Hindi ko rin sure. Nag-stop na ako mag-check.
Ako din.
Nag-stop na ako mag-check kasi diba, who knows, diba? Tomorrow, magkasakit ka. You never know. That's why it's very important that we live it fully.
Now.
We
presence.
maximize. Kung may looks maxing, mag-life maxing ka.
Looks maxi. Oo, gusto ko yung looks maxi. Alam niyo, nung bago kami nagkita ni Kring, talagang she prepared and all. Sabi, ano pumapasok sa utak ko? Hey, you know what? I should actually show up more and be more of, although I dress like myself now, which is me, a little bit of quirky, but still, easy. But I was saying na parang, okay, she's really coming present and putting it together.
Thank
so,
you.
Ano yung look? Ang tawag doon?
Looks maxing.
Totoo yun na word.
Bagay yun sa buso sa mga Gen Z yun eh.
Looks maxing.
O yung mga ganyan.
Alam ko yan. Yung
mga mewing ba yan?
Mewing.
Mga looks maxing. Kumbaga parang, ma-maximize mo parang maging best version of yourself. Now, if you can do that, then fucking maximize your life.
I learned something today. Thank
diba?
you.
Do not be scared to take risks, to to do things that make you blissful.
Thank you for, coming to Think, Talk, Tea. Hindi, may natutunan talaga ako, life maxing today. Sa lahat ng sinabi mo, yun yung takeaway ko. Life maxing.
Maxing,
Because
yes.
that's actually me. Sa rami-rami kong ginagawa, I'm also studying to be a pilot.
Oh
So,
yes, I wanted to talk
yes.
about that before
Oo.
we wrap. Oh my God, why?
Yes.
Because your dad was
Well, it's just calling lang siya. Life whisper. Matagal na siyang, may mga bulong kasi tayo sa buhay. We have life whispers. Yung mga, so matagal na siya. Fly a plane. Hindi ko siya pinapansin. Tapos pinansin ko siya. Tapos I stop kasi nabuntis ako. Tapos, totoo yan. So this is my take 2 na. Ang tagal nga eh. And lahat ng classmate ko, divided by 2 yung age nila. Kasi I'm 40. I'm 40. My classmates are 20 years old.
kasi parang college.
Yeah,
Siguro
mga fresh out of college and they're studying.
Pilot.
Mga pilots. And that's the right age kasi na-absorb mo lahat ng mga mechanical, engineering, lahat ng mga lessons in life, weather. Okay. But ngayon, it's slower for me, but it's just a life whisper. So yung life whisper na yon, nila life maxing ko.
Yes, but
So I'm studying it right now, but I like that life maxing because I think it's not good when people look at it or think na, there's a saying na kailangan mag-focus ka lang sa isang bagay
that's
para
super
gumaling
not
ka.
true.
There's a saying, 'di ba? So I am the antithesis of that. I believe that, and you are too, actually,
Definitely.
being able to go around. So, and for a while, nakilala ka lang rin for one particular thing, di ba? So, or me, di ba, na, okay, commercial when I was way, way younger. But, and people would say, if you just do one thing, Chal, sisikat ka na eh. If you just do one thing, you'll be super successful. But then, yun ba yung definition ko ng success? Or yung kanya-kanya tayo yung akin is experiential. Kailangan sa akin experiential. So kung ano ginawa ko, that's why I always say, some people, they follow their passion. Ako, I follow, and you can do this too, follow your curiosity.
Oh, nice.
So lahat ng ginagawa kong bagay, it's because I got curious with it. So for example, paano kung lumilipad ako at naging piloto ako? Curiosity, pinasukan ko. Yes, and. In-apply ko yung improv din, di ba? So, yes, and. Pinasukan ko. Or what if I did improv? Yes, and. Pinasukan ko. Or maging negosyante. Or maging host. Or maging ganito. So, yun yung naging motivation and intention ko, using your words, na yung experience nun. For me, the measure of success is not even, sikat siya, sobrang yaman. It was the fulfilling feeling na, ay, nasubukan ko.
Yes.
So some people were made to do one thing and one thing alone and they become very good at it. Thank God they are there kasi kailangan natin ng mga doktor, kailangan natin ng, di ba, hindi yung patalon-talon.
Engineer.
And that's great. And that's why some people are super sikat. Manny Pacquiao, boxer, yun talaga yung nag-highlight sa kanya, di ba? But there are some people like us, ito yung beautiful sharing ko, na parang mga paro-paro and tutubi, na yes, maliliit lang kami na lumilipad-lipad at pumupunta ko saan, but we are pollinating and we create a beautiful garden at the end of it all. So we're here to connect people, to connect experiences, to tell stories, to enjoy. But if you look at it from afar, ay, may magandang garden dahil sa kanila.
I love
So,
that.
yun.
Ganda nun.
Pero galing yun
Pollinating.
sa'yo kasi sinabi mo life maxing, naalala ko. Oo.
Oh my God, I love it. Well, of course, we're gonna wrap it up. I have some, meron kaming sa Think Talk Tea na mga questions that we ask all of our guests. And we will be asking that of Chal. Pagbabalik pa ng Think Talk Tea. Siguro at this point, Chal, sobrang dami ng parang yung mga viewers natin, ano ba talagang topic nito? But at least marami silang natutunan, di
Pick
ba?
one na lang kung ano yung bumagay sa...
But they would listen to it naman from start to end.
Ooh,
Which is,
okay.
I love it. So, before we wrap things up, just wanted to ask something that we ask recently, our guests. How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years, ano ba ako, 40, 45? Sana less 20 pounds.
Are you trying to lose weight?
Why not? Why not? Diba?
It looks good naman on you.
Oh, why not? Gusto ko, actually, ang dream ko, hindi naman 5 years, ang dream ko is nasa pang plus 20 years from now. So, gusto ko pag 70 years old na ako, sobrang hip grandma
Parang
ako.
mali yung computation.
Ay, plus 20 o 60 pa
60
lang yan.
lang.
Magaling ka talaga sa math. Ako yung Chinese na hindi. Oo. So, 30 plus 30 years from now, I've always had this life whisper na as a grandma, I would be life maxing. Gagamitin ko ulit sinabi mo.
Ah.
Ang napipicture ko is, I'm taking up drum lessons kasi dream ko yun before pa. I'm super fashionista. Yung minsan,
Right.
when I said na minsan nasyashy ako, totoo yan kahit madaldal ako and all, na I will be online more present, pero as a grandma, a hip grandma. So, 30
Right.
years from now, next 5 years, well, I think I've been living just super in the present na gusto ko lang, I'm doing a little project right now. So, it's been a pandemic project. I'm building a farm stay. So, like a little hotel. So, gusto ko matapos yun para may slow living. Magiging farmer na rin po ako. Captain farmer.
Wow.
Captain. So, I want to really get into that. Matagal lang na process kasi humihigop ng pera ang farm.
True.
Warning. Akala
Saan
nyo,
to located?
Calaca, Batangas. So, it's medyo
Batangas.
pa-build na. But, I wanna get into I've always been interested with it, organic farming and all. So, may isang
Yes.
side ako na ganun. And gusto ko na plant-based siya. Kahit di
love
naman
it.
ako plant-based.
No.
Gusto ko lang na Filipino plant-based na may little resto. And all. So, that's a mini big dream na
Yes.
tumagal na. In
I
5
love
years, you're
I
all
think,
invited.
5 years.
In 5 years, you're all
Invite me.
invited.
Kasi actually something that I want to also do. I mean, I don't want to have a parang farm stay or anything, but like living in nature, very plant-based diet. If I had the opportunity, I would actually take it.
Inisip ko, ako, admitted ko na sarili ko. Kasi when I'm in nature, when I'm not in nature, I live in city. BGC ako So super,
BGC ka
so
ba?
super gitna, city talaga, diba? So I miss seeing super lots of trees. Although there's a
Yeah.
park there and all. So naghanap ako ng nature. So on weekends, takbo ako sa nature kung saan maghahanap as, traveler, ganyan. Pero pag tumagal naman ako na masyado sa bundok or saan, hanapan ko na naman.
Correct.
So, ano talaga ako, embodiment ako ng middle child, middle of everything, lahat ng gitna, balance, yun yung kailangan ko.
Oh, at least,
Nasa
balance.
human design ko rin yan. So, tumingin na kayo sa human design
I will
nyo.
check out human design. My God.
Okay.
All right. And also, Chad, just wanted to let you know, share with you, this table is what we call manifestation space. It's really very powerful. It's really
Kanina ko pa
powerful. If do you have anything that you would like to make into anong tawag nito?
A reality.
Reality in your life, because we get to create a reality, correct?
Yes.
So what is it that you want to
Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this because I'm a believer in designing your life.
Yes, it's
To
true.
design your life according to you want. Tututuhanin ko tong lamesa na to.
True. It's true.
I'm really manifesting that this year, I'm flying that airplane already. Kasi ang tagal ko na Ako na yung pinakamatagal. Yung 3 months na class, nagawa ko ng 9 months.
Wait, ano bang Cessna plane ba?
Yes, Cessna. So,
plane.
I just want that this year, nalipad ko na.
Okay.
Nalipad ko na yon. Nakalipad na naman ako before pero may katabi. Pero I went back lang to school to refresh and to learn everything. And syempre with all the crashes ngayon and all, di ba marami na? So medyo na ako na, what is the world telling me? And I'm not to be a pilot, you have to be very calm and focused. So, mukha ba akong calm? Hindi, calm naman ako. Pero, I mean, like, yun lang, my ultimate dream, I'm manifesting na I'm there and I know I will cry. Pag ginawa ko yun, iiyak talaga ako. Like, yun lang, gusto ko lang na malipad.
But do you want to be a
Commercial pilot? No. No, wala akong dreams na manganib ang buhay ng iba. Ang ano ko lang, I guess at this age, at this time, there are things that we do, like what you say, walang KPIs, no?
Yes.
So, this one is not a career move. It has no money goals. It is just a life dream.
Yes.
Yun lang. It's that pure, it's that simple. So,
yes.
Pag pinag-usapan ko, I already feel like crying kasi sobrang sincere ng dream na to na walang ibang karugtong na, para kumita ako, para sumikat ako, para maging powerful ako. Walang ganon. Siya lang is pure. Gusto ko lang makalipad.
Yes.
Yeah.
I really hope our viewers, our listeners are learning from this na parang at least now there are people in media or whatever successful people who are telling you na you can dream without any like goal in mind. Do you know what I mean?
You can dream
without any goal in mind.
Or naka-attach yung
na
mga
result.
result.
Yeah, it's
Or yung
possible
mga materials. Yes.
Hindi kailangan lahat
For
ng
the
dream
sake
nyo.
of lang.
Oo.
For the sake of.
Gusto mo maging drag queen?
Masabi.
Mag-drag queen ka, di ba?
Yeah. And I think that's when success and everything else will follow after.
Yes,
Kasi
that's
totoo
true.
siya. Totoo
That's
siyang
true.
gusto mo talaga.
That's true.
Oo.
That's true.
Tas, kumbaga, ano na lang siya, bonus.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
Pero with this flying, wala akong inisip na bonus. Gusto ko lang mabuhay.
Yun.
Mabuhay until the end. At mapatunayan sa sarili ko. It's also something to prove to myself na, it's a lifelong dream. Natapos mo.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah.
Yung naririnig mo, may ginawa ka.
Tsaka no regrets. Parang, fuck you. Pilot. Now, do you have any message, Chal, to our viewers? Marami ka na mga nakwento, nasabi, mga
Ikaw
na-impart
din.
na knowledge. Ang dami na. But do you have any message? Like, anything that you would like to leave?
Wow. I'm just really happy I did this. Cause when we talk sa Facebook pa kami nag-usap, I didn't know anything. Life whisper na naman yung nagsabi, yeah, go.
Yes.
Kasi pwede naman mag-no. Mas masarap mag-no, diba? Kasi yung oras mo, malayo to sa akin. I'm so happy I came here na, number 1, catch up. Number 2, I learned about life maxing. Totoo yan. Talagang real learning yan today. And then third is that, okay, there's things like this, like we're in line na pwedeng passionate ka, pwedeng curious ka lang. So, nung nangyayari siya, tapos may nabubuo. Follow your curiosity. That's what I would leave. Follow your curiosity. Kasi lahat naman ng storya ng buhay ko na narinig ninyo, ay, i-wrap up. Yung narinig ninyo from the Coke commercial to doing TV shows to doing improv to doing business, being an entrepreneur myself to marrying my love life. Lahat ng yan, it all started because I was curious. Someone told me, hey, do you wanna choreograph for the Coke commercial? Sure, I'm curious. What kind of choreography? Hey, do you wanna do improv? Malay ko ba kung anong improv comedy? Sure, I'll do it. I'm curious. It started with curiosity. So yung sinasabi nila, ano yun? The curiosity killed
The cat?
killed the cat. Hindi po, nakakadagdag siya ng buhay. Baliktad. So nakakadagdag siya sa buhay ninyo. Follow your curiosity wisely. Nagdagdag bila ng wisely.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today, Chal.
I really enjoyed.
Ay,
Thank you.
oh my God. Next time ulit ha. Pag inbitahin ka ulit namin dito. Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Thank you for sharing your stories. And with that, cheers to your success.
Uy, success.
And to your pilot dreams.
Yes,
And,
thank you.
and,
And also, if you're free, follow Jeron Travel. Nag-plug na ako.
oh yes, Jeron.
Travel.
So, mga gustong
Mag-travel.
mag-travel, whether locally, internationally,
Visa, lahat. Anything to do with travel, family, company, lovers,
Individual.
singles travel, LGBTQ travel, lahat ng yan. We have those.
visa,
Yes.
lahat ng
Just check
related
out
to
Jeron Travel. Thank you.
Yes, Jeron Travel. And we'll see you guys again next week. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks, Chris.
Yes.